Gonna replace a couple things right here out of this kit of all these different replacement accessory parts. So I'm going to get rid of that one right there. That's super dirty and gross. And then let's pop this open and we'll replace the brush. You see, I've definitely been needing it. So we'll throw this guy in there. There we go. I probably made that look harder than it actually is. That was probably just me being difficult. And then let's put a new mop on it right here. Now we got the new mop pad right on top of there. And let's see, we might as well replace this guy. Not sure. Oh yeah, he just pops right out. And then the new guy just pops right down. Just like that. So that quickly, I replaced the 3 main parts on the bottom. Excited to have those replaced. I'm excited to throw away these old ones.